What's going on, YouTube? Today I've got a knife and I got packages. Got some mail today. Nice little score of stuff I purchased from eBay recently. How's everybody doing? Everyone surviving? Everyone rocking and rolling? Anyways, I did take my name off of this stuff ahead of time, so take a peek at what we got here. So I ended up buying some Morgans and kind of got into the Delaware Quarter. I've collected the Delaware Quarter for the past, I don't know, year and a half, so whenever it came out. And I like it. I like the new Crossing the Delaware Quarter. So I bought a bunch of graded ones and realized people aren't really paying attention to that. There's not a lot of higher grade ones. So I wanted to collect some quarters myself, go through some rolls, and try my luck and do that. Anyways, I'm just going to go through the stuff I got. So I got a 1925, a nice Rattler piece dollar. I've never owned one of these. And also, the only graded piece dollar I've ever owned is the one I sent in myself, which was the 1921 that got harshly clean. So I like the Rattlers. I don't know why. They're harder to find. Someone's old price tag here. And I picked this one up. I thought it was the nicest example online. 1925 is kind of a common date, but I picked this one up for $89. So again, that's what a nice Rattler looks like. I try and stay away from the tone coins. They're kind of not my thing unless they're really uniquely toned. And then this is a very inexpensive for 1978. This is the first year of the Morgans. Picked this one up for $48. Let me pop it out here. I thought for the money, I know it's been cleaned, so it's definitely been wire brushed, but that was a cool example. Still a nice looking coin. So it's been cleaned pretty badly, but again, what's a shame is that there definitely were some mirrors, and someone back in the day, could have been back in 1879, someone might have been like, man, my Morgan's all dirty, and they just went to town with the wire brush. So this is what you have when you see wire brush or wired cleaning. It's all listed that way, you know. See how that goes. But you could tell, like, whoever had this, it's pretty old, and the staples are, even the staples are brown. Like, dude, this thing's gross, man. I'm gonna throw that away. That gives me the heebie-jeebies. Like, that's probably when they first made cardboard holders or flips, or not flips, holders for coins. Give this guy an open here. All right, so this particular seller, it's a coin shop. I'm not going to show who it is, but you can always tell because like they'll pay extra for these peel apart things. Dude, these things are not cheap. Like, I looked at buying these as supplies. Like, unless you buy a huge supply of them, they're not cheap. So I like to recycle them. So when someone sends me this, I'll use it to send a coin out. So this particular seller, I purchased a lot of Morgans from. And I'll take these out. I'll handle them because I gotta do my thing. So here's a nice 1978. Oh, discount. Nice 1978. Or sorry, 1878. It's got some nice frost to it. Original luster. And it's a normal 78 reverse with 7 tail feathers. So that's a very nice coin. What did I get that one for? $118. It's a pretty good price for an ungraded one. And then this guy here. Dude, it's so hard to do this with gloves. There's a regular 1988. Nice looking coin. A little weak breast feathers, but I got that one for $60. I thought that was a nice example. And here's some more in here. So another 1878. I believe this is the San Francisco mint. I like this one. It has a nice frosty eagle. Definitely dimple or mirrors. You gotta have it on both sides though. So that'll probably be a pretty expensive coin. And then where'd the other one go? Nice 1889. So again, guys, like what have you been collecting? What have you been doing with yourselves? Besides staring at the spot price every day, getting depressed because it's below 20. I mean, it sucks when it happens, but it's a buying opportunity. Here's 1889. What did I get this one for? $49, $50. That's a nice score. So something like that would be probably about $60 at my local coin shop. Not that I don't mind giving my local coin shop business, but sometimes when they don't have the selection, you kind of like just go for, you kind of settle, which isn't good because then you're not going to walk out with as quality of a coin or maybe a problem coin. You're going to spend a little bit extra for it, which makes it harder to resell. Here's a nice 1890 standard Philadelphia. Again, this one has proof-like mirrors, so the mirrors are not very clear, but there's definitely a proof-like finish to the field to both sides. I'm going to stop listing coins and putting PL, DMPL in the listings because people get pissed, or maybe that's why eBay has been not so nice to me. But I have been measuring all the coins. I've been weighing them all. I changed all my descriptions. And so far, everyone's been happy with that. So they're like, yeah, don't put PL, don't put DMPL. You can put mirror. Like, this is definitely mirror. You know what I mean? But don't like put DMPL or PL on your listings because then it looks like you're trying to get people that are looking for real dimple, deep mirror proof like. Oh, when you see like scratches like that on the bottom of a chin or anywhere in the face, that is not, that's not after the coin was struck. That was the actual planchet. So a lot of these original planchets got scratches on them because of the machines they put them through. They would scrape up against each other. So that is just a normal, this right here on the bottom of Liberty's chin. That's normal. So when you see that on a coin, don't freak out like, oh, dude, someone scratched it. Nope. Now there's the wheel mark one that always throws me for a loss because that's when the actual Morgans were tossed through slot machines. And those are harder to detect. But I've never submitted one and got wheel marked. So that might be just for people that live in California and stuff that have a lot of Morgans in the area that were from casinos. Here's a nice 1881. This is a San Francisco. Again, one of my favorite coins. I mean, definitely proof-like, possibly deep mirror proof-like, but would be very hard to get that designation if you submit it yourself. But I mean, come on, guys, like that's mirror for sure. But these 1881s are known for their good strike, so they made a ton of them. But to get one that's frosty like this with full feathers, if this were to be graded, I would guess it'd be like a mint state 63. Definitely proof like, possible deep mirror proof like. So whatever, $350 coin. I got it for, heck did I pay for this one? $70. But again, I'm going to sell it raw. I'd rather someone else come up on it. Kind of done with the grading game because I'm not just not a big fan of sending coins in and waiting like 3 months. Like there is going to be a show here in August in Rosemont. It's like the World of Coins or whatever. So I might, if I have certain inventory at the time that I think would be for sure worth investing another $70 in, I'll go that route. And what you can do with those show coins is you can bring your coins in the beginning of the show. PCGS will actually be at the World of Coins with their booth, with their graders. and then you pay $70. That's the minimum. Now that's if the coin's worth like under $3,000. So you can bring in some big hitters. It's just gonna be more than $70, but you have to bring in at least 5 coins, and then you pick up your coins at the end of the show, slabbed. So we're talking like 4-day turnaround time. Like, to me, that's pretty badass. So I might do something like that. All right. So that was the Morgans. So I'm going to do a separate unboxing for the Delaware quarters that are coming up. So anyways, if you want to watch that video, click on the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. Give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe, and everyone have a good rest of your day.